practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. A day at the park. Conversation between Uncle Mike and niece Emily. I'll play the role of niece and you'll play the role of uncle. We'll start by listening to the entire dialogue and then we'll move on to practicing it. Let's start.
Hey, Emily, are you ready to go to the park?
Hi, Uncle Mike. Yes, I'm super excited.
Great. Do you want to bring anything special with you?
Can we bring my kite? I want to see how high it can fly.
Of course. The weather is perfect for flying kites today.
Yay, and can we get some ice cream after?
Absolutely. We can stop by the ice cream stand on the way back.
Thanks, Uncle Mike. You're the best.
No problem, kiddo. Let's get going.
Okay, let's go. I can't wait to try out my new kite.
I'm sure it will fly really high. Let's make this a fun day.
It's going to be the best day ever. Let's practice your English now. Hi, Uncle Mike. Yes, I'm super excited. Can we bring my kite? I want to see how high it can fly. Yay, and can we get some ice cream after? Thanks, Uncle Mike. You're the best. Okay, let's go. I can't wait to try out my new kite. It's going to be the best day ever. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.